When MG was introduced here in the Philippines under a new distributor, yung ZS ang pinakamabenta nila even until now. But meron pa silang isang crossover. And this is it, the MG RX5. What we have today is the top-of-the-line RX5 Alpha, and it is actually a rebadge of the wrong way or raw way for some in China. So let's see what this has to offer. In front, it's simple and classy at the same time, and it's quite stylish as well. And ako may nakuha akong vibes ng Volkswagen dito. Kayo rin ba? Or baka ako lang yon? Pero it's not surprising kasi it's the same company na gumagawa ng Volkswagen in China. So, meron siyang full LED headlights, meron siyang LED daytime running lights, and LED turn signals. And meron siyang halogen fog lights. Tapos kung napansin nyo, yung headlights niya and the grille, mukha silang iisa lang. So, it's well integrated, para siya isang buo, which is very nice, I like it. And overall, may dating siya. On the side, ganun pa rin siya. It's simple, pero classy naman. And makikita nyo, meron siyang mga body lines, which is very nice. Tapos, napapansin nyo ba yung unique color na to? It's called Sol Blue. And I like it. Unique nga siya, like sinabi ko. And then, this one, it has 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels wrapped in 235/50 Michelin tires. And I find it quite cool na nilagyan nila ng design itong black cladding instead of just plain na cladding lang. Okay yun. And then, meron siyang side mirrors with LED turn indicators, kaya lang manual folding siya. Sayang. But meron naman siyang smart key access with the chrome accent dito sa door handle and also around the windows. Plus, dito rin sa roof rails niya. Tapos meron pa siyang silver accent dito which adds to the overall character. So tara, ikot naman natin yung car, check natin yung likod. At the back, kung kanina Volkswagen vibes yung nakukuha ko, ngayon naman BMW vibes naman yung nakukuha ko dito sa likod. Kayo din ba? Talagang German, no? German sausage. Hindi, joke lang. So, meron siyang LED taillights and then meron siyang chrome accent na from one end to another end, which is bagay na bagay, maganda siya, I like it. Meron din siyang subtle rear spoiler na hindi super big and hindi rin super small. Tamang-tama lang yung size niya. And then, meron siyang rear fog light dito sa left side and meron siyang backup camera and parking sensors. Meron din siyang faux silver skid plate dito and dual exhaust siya. So sayang nga lang may abang na silang ginawa dito. Sana nilagyan na lang design para talagang kita yung dual exhaust niya. But other than that, tara, check naman natin yung cargo space. So inside, you get 595 liters of cargo capacity kapag nakataas yung second row seats, while kapag nakababa naman yung second row seats, you get 1,639 liters of total cargo capacity. So kahit na nakataas yan, talagang malaki na yung space mo dito. You can put everything that you want. It's big enough. Tapos meron ka pang 2 extra storage on both sides and another storage dito sa loob. Tapos underneath this pa, andun na yung spare tire mo and your tools. And meron ka ding retractable cover na to protect your things from the sun and kung ayaw nyo siyang makita ng ibang tao. Plus, ito, pwede nyo pa siya matanggal. So, more space pa, more things that you can put here. So, tara, let's go inside na. Now we're inside the MG RX5 and here's the key. Ito yung mga buttons niya and it's a flip key. Ayan. So, pagpasok dito, yung una kong napansin are the seats kasi mataas siya. Hindi siya yung usual mo na usual height kapag sa mga ibang crossovers. Ito, mataas siya. Kitang-kita ko yung buong dashboard and even the hood. And kapag nagdadrive sa labas, iba. Talagang iba yung pakiramdam. Parang elevated siya. And then, maganda yung quality ng mga ginamit nila dito sa loob. This one, it's soft touch plastic and this one is leather with very nice white stitching. Tas until dito and dito sa side, leather pa rin siya. Even dito sa door, leather siya. Tapos ito, soft touch plastics. Tapos this one, I like this, the textured plastic. Pero some people might not like it. Pero ako, okay siya sa akin. And then, meron pa siya ditong silver accent around. And meron siyang chrome accent dito sa center stack, which is nakadagdag sa pagiging premium niya. Kasi this one, overall, nakikita ko dito, it's very premium, maganda yung design niya. Kaya lang, this one, I wish na ginawa na nilang piano black plastic yung finish dito instead of this one na same sa door. Pero other than that, okay naman siya. Tapos dito sa seats, it's wrapped in leather with very nice white stitching and may perforated parts siya dito. And comfy siya upuan, okay siya, malambot. So, okay yung seats niya, it's very nice. Pagdating naman dito sa steering wheel, it's wrapped in leather and it's the same steering wheel na makikita nyo sa ibang MG models. Tapos, on the right side, meron kang instrument cluster controls and even dito sa controls for the infotainment system. Tapos, sa left side naman yung audio controls mo. Tapos, yung dito sa likod, yung stock niya for the cruise controls. And tilt and telescopic siya. So, ayan. Telescopic, tapos natitilt mo pa siya. Tapos ito yung busina niya. Yan. So here in the center stack, we have an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay. So typical naman of the Chinese vehicles, wala silang Android Auto. Tapos this one is very easy to use. May pagka-Android yung itsura niya and madali siya gamitin. Responsive naman siya. Ayan. Sumusunod siya sa mga press ko. Tapos, what's nice is that meron siyang buttons right here and knobs. Kaya nga lang, itong knob sa gitna, it acts also as the home button. So, pag bago ka, tapos hindi ka pa gano'n sanay, malilito ka kasi, kunyari, pumunta ka somewhere sa settings or sa Apple CarPlay, you need to press this para bumalik sa home lang or sa menu mo. Tapos, medyo annoying lang na every time na bubuksan yung vehicle, automatic nag-on yung radio niya. No, so sana, hindi ganun kasi wala. Minsan nakagulat eh. Tapos, here below, you have your manual climate controls with knobs and buttons. Tapos, yung display niya kapag ginagalaw mo, dito siya lalabas sa infotainment system mo. It's quite small and medyo mahirap siya makita at times. So, sana nilagay nila dito yung display. It would be better. Tapos, further down below, you have card slots or card holders. Dalawa siya. So, perfect yan for your parking cards or kunyari itong easy trip mo. Like ito, for sure madalas kakailanganin mo to instead of using the stickers. Alam mo naman sa atin, di ba? So dito sa baba, you have 12-volt power outlet and your USB port. Tapos you have your shifter. It's very nice yung design niya. I like it. Tapos very smooth din siya kapag ginagamit mo. So you have the stability control button right here and your hill descent control button. Meron din siyang electronic parking brake with auto hold function. Tapos meron kang storage for your cellphone. Tapos 2 cup holder, yung isa malaki, yung isa medyo maliit. So hindi ko alam kung anong mga drinks ang kakasya dyan. Tapos you have this sliding center armrest and a decent sized na storage sa loob. Tapos ito yung favorite part ko. Meron siyang panoramic sunroof. So ayan, perfect siya for pag sa mga trips or kung gusto mo lang na mahangin sa gabi, you can open this. Ayan. Like what I've mentioned earlier, meron siyang panoramic sunroof. So, ito naka-add siya sa spaciousness ng sasakyan. Aside from being spacious talaga. Kasi, look at my legroom. Ito siya. Tapos, my footroom, okay na okay din. And I'm 5 feet and 5 inches. Tapos, ito, okay din yung space dito, yung haba niya. Tapos, the seats are very comfy, very soft, nice siya. And dito sa door panels, soft din siya. Ito, soft touch plastic. Tapos dito may leather. Kasi usually sa mga ibang sasakyan, sa harap, soft touch siya. Pagdating dito sa likod, itong sa door side, hard plastic na siya. So, this one, soft siya. Okay yun. Tapos meron siyang 2 back pockets, tapos 2 aircon vents, and a 12-volt power outlet down here. So, meaning yan, isa lang ang USB port niyan, which is nandun sa harap. So, sayang sana naglagay pa sila additional dito. Tapos, you have center armrest with 2 cup holders. The MG RX5 is powered by a 1.5-liter inline-4 turbo petrol engine with 167 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque paired to a 7-speed dry dual-clutch transmission, and power is sent to the front wheels. And it's also interesting to know na same yung engine na makikita nyo with this one dun sa Maxus G50 and sa D60. So tara, let's bring it out on a test drive. Safety features on the MG RX5 Alpha are dual front and side airbags, ABS, EBD, cornering brake control, electronic stability program, hill hold control, hill descent control, anti-roll protection, TPMS, steering wheel return reminder, and ISOFIX. When we had the MG ZS a few months back, na-feel namin na parang there's more things to improve. Pwede pa siyang mapaganda lalo. But now, when we received the MG RX5, pagsakay pa lang namin, yung itsura pa lang niya sa labas, alam mo nang it's a better car than the ZS. And sa acceleration pa lang niya, talagang mafe-feel mo yung power niya, yung torque niya, it's really fast. Kaya maganda talaga siya. Also, in terms of acceleration, parang mas maganda siya for highway kesa sa city. Kasi pag sa city, medyo napansin ko na naglalag siya. So, minsan may pagka-jerky siya pag sa city. Pero kapag sa highway naman, it's really smooth. Lalo na when you're going fast na, talagang better siya talaga for highway. And then kapag from a stop or sa mga lower speeds, mafe-feel mo na parang meron siyang hesitation to go or to move faster. Pero once na you get going na, bumibilis ka na bumibilis, nagiging smooth na yung ride, mas mabilis na siya. Yun, okay na siya pag ganun. Yung ride quality niya is good, expected naman niya from a crossover. Tapos sa mga lubak naman, na-absorb niya yung mga lubak well. Eh, meron nga lang siyang mga konting vibrations kapag medyo malalim na yung lubak. Parang minor thing lang naman yun hindi naman siya problem. Walang road noise yung RX5. And then pagdating naman sa wind noise, wala din. Pero except during mga ganitong instances na medyo mataas tayo, nasa skyway tayo, may konti siya, pero halos wala gaano kapag ida-drive mo siya sa normal roads. Tapos, like yung sabi ko kanina din, meron siyang konting vibrations, pero that's just minor. Overall, okay na okay siya for city driving. Yun nga lang, yung sa medyo laggy part, yun yung hindi ko gaano gusto. But pagdating naman sa highway, okay na okay din siya. It's really smooth, it's fast, and yung comfort nito talagang yun yung top 1 niya. For this vehicle, naka-confine lang kami mostly sa city. So, city numbers yung mga lumabas dito, which is nasa 13 kilometers per liter, which is okay for the city driving. Di namin siya sa highway, pero mostly talaga puro city siya. And talagang halo-halo siya. May nasa traffic, meron namang slow speed. So, iba-iba. For 1,298,888 Philippine pesos, you get this top-of-the-line MG RX5 Alpha. Well, meron siyang mga kalaban na mas well-equipped kesa sa kanya, but you still get this low-key, classy, and well-performing vehicle na nandyan naman lahat ng mga basics and other features na kakailanganin mo. And with this, you can be the Alpha.